Surah Al-Imran 3 and Ayah 14. زُيِّنَ لِلنَّاسِ حُبُّ الشَّهَوَاتِ مِنَ النِّسَاءِ وَالْبَنِينَ والقناطير المقنطرة من الذهب والفضة والخيل المسومة والأنعام والحرث ذلك متاع الحياة الدنيا والله عنده حسن المآب. Adornment for people is the love of desires for women and sons and heaped up heap of gold and silver and marked horses and cattle and cultivated land. That is the enjoyment of the worldly life, and the beautiful resort is near Allah. Now in this ayah there are 4-5 categories mentioned, that for men and women both are adornments. Adornments means that you have the love and desire for these things. Every man and woman have adornment for another woman. Every woman adorns another woman who admires or attraction. For women also is a woman adornment, and for men and women both adorns woman, men and women both adorns sons. Sons. And then they adorn gold, heap of gold. You can see they want gold, silver, marked horses, means they are the Nasli horses and cattle and a cultivated land. This is the enjoyment of worldly life, and the beautiful resort is near Allah. So every man and woman adorn these things, and in our lecture today is the father and children relationship. So in this ayah there is a distinction of love and affections towards the son. Every man and every woman expects to have a son as a child in the whole world, because they are adornment. So you must understand what will happen. Every man and woman adorns sons, everyone wants sons. So the question is, there are daughters are also born. So what happens when a daughter is born somewhere? So Allah is describing the personality of people whom a daughter is born. Now this is a parent-children relationship, remember this. Surah An-Nahl 16 and Ayah 58 and 59. وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدٌ بِالْأُنْثَى ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ. When good news is given to one of them with a female, his face is overshadowed with blackness and he is suppressed with inward grief. It is not referring to man only, it is men and women both. Allah says whenever the good news is given to one of them with a female, when a female child is born, the behavior of certain men is, or woman, his face is overshadowed with blackness and he suppressed inward grief. He is not happy or she is not happy that I've got a child, a woman child. And further it says about the same personality, يَتَوَارَى مِنَ الْقَوْمِ مِنْ سُوءٍ مَا بُشِّرَ بِهِ أَيُّمْسِكُهُ عَلَى هُونٍ أَمْ يَدُسُّهُ فِي التُّرَابِ أَلَا سَاءَ مَا يَحْكُمُونَ. He pretends keep secret from the people with badness. What good news was given with it? Does he hold to it on disgrace or shame? And he buries it in the dust. What a bad behavior with what he governed or judged. Now in this world, when a female child is born, this is the behavior of some people. This is the behavior. He pretends, he thinks that everybody is happy when son is born. Even in a maternity home, the nurses are happy, the doctors are happy. Believe me, every nurse, every doctor are happy. And about the girl, Nurse, even nurse is not happy, the doctors are not happy. I mean, so this is what I'm saying, and especially the father or the mother. It said that black is over, the news comes to them as a child, girl is born, that happens, the face is overshadowed. The face is overshadowed with blackness, suppressed inward grief. Ladki ho gayi. You see, this is the behavior of those people. He pretends, he pretends, keep secret from the people with badness. He pretends that I'm happy. He pretends when badness is got. What good news was given with it? Does he hold to it disgrace or shame? He feels it's shameful to have a girl born. And he buries himself in the dust. Matti pao, ho gayi to ab kya kare? What a bad behavior is that what they govern and judge. It's a bad behavior, Allah says. Because it's a creation of Allah, the female. This is the behavior. So further, the same person, Allah says, who is that person? Surah Zukhruf 43:18. أَوَمَنْ يُنَشَّأُ فِي الْحِلْيَةِ وَهُوَ فِي الْخِصَامِ غَيْرُ مُبِينٍ. Is then who is being brought up in decoration luxury, and he is in the quarrelsome controversy other than clarification. The one to whom this good news was given, or the child is a female, so the behavior of this person is that he is the one who is being brought up in decoration luxury. He himself, who? The father or the mother. He himself was brought up in decoration luxury, and he is the quarrelsome controversy. The person who feels too much, if the child is a girl, he himself is a quarrelsome person and create controversy because of the inward grief. And he will be without clarification. Remember, this is very important point, that people who are brought up in luxuries in life, they feel much as compared to the people who are born in poverty, if the girl is born. The people who are brought up in decoration luxury, he is quarrelsome controversy. Khisam is the husband. He doesn't like it. So why I'm telling you this? Because this is a big problem all over the world. All over the world. Men and women prefer sons, and they don't like if a girl is born. And why? Because Allah says, because they themselves are brought up in luxury, and further He also said that He wants to hide His face into sand, and he feels, inward grief, black shadow is on his face. He doesn't like why a girl is born. This is all wrong. And Surah Takwir 81:8 and 9. وَإِذَا مَوْءُودَةُ سُئِلَتْ بِأَيِّ ذَنْبٍ قُتِلَتْ. And when she was buried alive, will be questioned with which sin she was being killed. Now there are two aspects of this verse. Either you killed physically, that in India they say the girl is born, they killed. You know that? They are physically killed. When they find out, even if they found in the mother's womb, they kill. Or after the production, they kill. So Allah says, when she was buried alive, and in this world, if they are in the same house with the sons, they are treated it says that she is not given the attention and love and compassion as compared to the boys. You parents are not giving the same love and affection and equality to the daughter as compared to boys, because boys are adornment, but that doesn't mean you leave them out as insignificant to an unimportant person living in the house, the daughter. So this is very wrong behavior between parent-children relationship, that we must not realize the daughters that they are insignificant. No matter Allah, you have got adornment for your sons. That's this in the Quran. We can't deny the fact that Allah has made the sons as adornment. But if the daughters are born, You must make sure you make it sure that they should not have that complex developed. This is known as burying them alive. They are alive, but they are buried. Iska kya, where is my son? So, this is very important.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.